I got a fish. Rock River. Oh, he's fighting. Holy cow. What is it? It's a bass. It's a largemouth bass. Woohoo! Look at that. Maybe not. No, that's a bass, bro. Shit. Woo! Joseph caught a bass. Look at that. That's a big one.
More than a month has passed since the full interim ceasefire proposed by the US and Saudi Arabia.
Look at that. Look at that bass. That's a big old bass, bro. I caught me a bass on a white jig. Check it out. That's got to be at least largemouth bass with hang on a second, boink. Let's call this off right here. Hang on a second. I'm gonna stay right there, buddy. Whew. These suckers are something else. Let me see. Okay, let's do a close one. That's got to be at least 16. 14. Let's go with 14. Look at that again. Watch. We'll get them off. There. Okay, let me get them off. He's getting mad at me. Here we go. Okay. Come on. Look at that bass. That's a big old bass, bro. I caught me a bass on a white jig. Check it out. That's gotta be a look at that. Look at that. Joe's first bass. Largemouth bass. Goodbye, little fishy.